Alright, let's ride around. Check out all these Lambos. This is insane.
This is a Lamborghini only event. There's no bike or anything allowed inside.
What the? Feeling up just to be on the safe side, because I think it's gonna be a ride that we're going to, a very special ride. I mean, you guys already saw the title and thumbnail. It's a Lamborghini drive, and we're crashing it with a bunch of cool super bikes. Wow, good thing I got gas. My gas light was about to come on any minute now. Ooh, good thing I saw this. Imagine backing up into this and smacking my tail or wing. There we go. Bike is lowered, so I can reach.
I thought you were going to bring out the M1000 because you put all the titanium bolts on.
Nah. I wanted to. It's an easy bike to ride, but I fixed the clutch on this so it actually rides now. And plus, we're going to see Lambos. Gotta bring out the H2.
And the leather jacket?
That was a mistake. I'm already dying. Bro, I just don't fit in these leather jackets.
Your arms are too big. I mean too small.
Alright, let's go. We got the F4RR, S1000, R1M, H2, and V4R. Pretty nice small lineup. Oh man, I am suffocating in the leather jacket. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on the amazing H2. I forgot to welcome you guys. It is too early right now, but this is a Lambo event that is supposed to be Lambo only, so we're crashing it. We already see one Lambo broken down right here. H2 got the new clutch, so I had to ride it, you know. The V4R, I wanted to ride that bike too, because, you know, Italian, but I don't know. I just, that bike is not ready, so. I need new tires, the new clutch, a lot of new things. Just making sure that we're filming. Hopefully my mic doesn't mess up, because I tested out the holy. Alright, let's ride around. Check out all these Lambos. This is insane. Oh my. They just keep on going. Bro, this is wild. We're trying to like sneak into this drive because it's supposed to be Lambos only, as I said.
So this is a Lamborghini only event.
Okay.
We're doing a fundraiser, so unfortunately there's no off-ramps or no bike or anything allowed inside.
Okay, we'll just stay out here.
I apologize. You guys are more than welcome to join us for the event. Just park on the street. We have everything inside, food, coffee. You're more than welcome. Just can't drive the bikes in the lot.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we'll just park right here. What's up, man? Oh, shit. What is wrong with you? Yeah, you need to buy me a new shoes. Huh? Bro, I saw the lineup. I was like, I have to drive by it. I was like, what is this? This is mad. I'm honestly gonna show you guys some of the vehicles. I'm gonna have to stop the GoPro because I need to double check, verify if my audio is working. Because I tested it a lot after last time I filmed a video, and the mic literally just completely like stopped working halfway through. So I feel like I should do this even before this, but whatever. Even if this cuts out, I'll do like a commentary or something like that. Yeah. I mean, look at the lineup of the bikes. Come on.
Yeah, that's not the Mercy SV was so hard. That?
Bro, there's too much going on. I don't know what to look at. Ooh, I really like this one. Satin white with a really nice body kit. It's very me. Besides the white wheels, but that's very me. White or black, these are my colors. Whoa. That's not the new Ultimate, is it? I don't know. Gee. STOs, SVJs for days. Yeah, it makes sense with the whole line in the back. Makes sense why we can't go inside. Whoa. Alright. That's that McLaren and a Bugatti casually here. Speedtail. I love this like satin white. I have no idea what this Lamborghini is, I'm not gonna lie. Even though I love Lambos. Whoa, that's the new Huracan. That's cool. How you doing? I need me a Lambo. Bro, this is wild. They're gonna fill up this whole like parking lot with Lambos. I respect that we can park outside. It's all good. Alright, you guys already saw like pretty much all the Lambos around here. That blue 9. What? I almost called the CGT 918. I need some breakfast, man. I'm still asleep. But the like sky blue, it's not even a baby blue, it's like a sky blue, because this is like baby blue. CGT is so clean. Alright, pause it here and we'll resume. Hopefully if we can join on the drive, well, we're gonna make it happen, you know, somehow. We're gonna take off when they all take off and join them, if it's actually happening, because I don't know what's going on, but we'll keep you guys updated.
Right?
Huh? Yeah. Huh? It's lowered.
It's lowered?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, yeah, I didn't know.
We're just gonna follow him. the new clutch. What the? Yeah, there's so many cars, they're definitely gonna split up. They already asked us over there to like be respectful because there's not a lot of new drivers and all that, so we're respecting that. You know, we want to come to more like Lambo events instead of being banned. We already kind of like, we're not supposed to be there, we already kind of crashed it. So on the actual ride we're gonna behave, you know, just ride chill next to all the This thing is crazy. I think we're gonna be hitting a lot of like traffic lights, and then we're heading on the freeway or the canyon, I heard, something like that. So I'm gonna save my battery till when we get there so we can get a little more action. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We split up from the Lambos. Everyone was going so slow. I didn't even film a lot of it. I was disappointed. I thought it was going to be a little more, you know, wild with all the Lambos, but it was very organized and slow, so we split up. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.